J.lifestyle, back with another unboxing. Today, um, not really unboxing, but I was sleeping on these Jordan 3s, Katrina, sold out. I went half-heartedly trying to get these pair. Honestly, I didn't care until I started seeing other people reviewing it, and I said, you know what, these actually are dope. White and red Jordan 3s. I started hunting for these like mad. Checking eBay, people offering, saying to me, £190. No, there's no resale price for these. I want them for retail price for £165. So hunting around, nobody's got them on the internet, everybody's sold out. Didn't really want to pay £190 on eBay. Then I said to myself, you know what, call sports shops in central London, JD Sports, Nighttown had about 6 left in stock, and a couple sports shops, JD Sports, had 1 each. So I call one of my friends that she always got my back when I need her. So I said to her, can you get these for me? She said sure. She got it for me, and there were a little mark on them, so it's a bit little mark, a little dirty mark on the sole. That's what I was trying to say. But it's minor. The sole looked like it hasn't been worn, so I might have just tried it on. But other than that, like, brand new. So Jordan 3s, Katrina, white and red colorway. Got the receipt, £164.95. Super clean. Got the Jumpman tag on here. Super clean. I want to buy a second pair of these. Jumpman dropped. I want to buy a second pair of these. Anyone got this, but they'll retail for sale? Size 12 UK, size 13 US. Let me know. Hit me up. Yeah. These are super clean. Yeah. Still sitting some places. Might have sold out in central London, but still got this around. Yeah. You can rock these with white jeans, blue jeans, red t-shirt and a red hoodie. These are super dope. If I get up, do a closer look. Sorry about the camera shaking. Super dope. Sorry about that. Flies buzzing away. Super clean. The paintwork is not on point. That it might have been rushed. You can see the part there. If the painting's not on point, what's the point of me paying full price for these? Elephant print, Jumpman, super dope, man. These are my second pair of Jordan 3s. I wanted the free throw line. I did miss out into the raffles. Had the black cements. I wasn't feeling those. So red inner sole, white Jumpman. They're dope, man. Yeah. So let me know your opinion about these. Let me know, did you buy, if it's worth buying a second pair, and just let me know your honest opinion. White and red, dope colorway. I love it, and super clean, man. It's dope. Red is my favorite color, but with white as well. Fresh, super fresh. You know what I'm saying? Super. Can't beat it. Best colorway so far this year, apart from the 4-3 line. Yeah. These, anyone could get a pair of these. It's not limited. Like 2 months or 2 months, say a month or 3 weeks after the release date, I still got a pair at retail price in the stores. Once it sells out online, there's always a chance of getting a pair of these at your nearest sports shop, Nike, J.D. Sports, Fort Asylum, Size. Even some of these stores, some people bring them back to get their refund because they can't resell them, or they're not feeling it, or they can't afford it, and that's what's up. So hit the subscribe button in red, hit the notification bell that's in black. Stay tuned to my channel. A lot of more things are gonna be happening. Alright? Thank you. Support J.lifestyle. Much respect. Fresh. Dope.